and welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're having an amazing day. This will be the third episode of the 10k to 3085k FTMO challenge. We will overview today's trades and introduce the head and shoulders chart pattern for those of you who don't yet have it in your trading arsenal. Let's go to the charts. Let's start with some basic aspects regarding the head and shoulders chart pattern for those of you who might not know it. So it usually comes after an impulse and you will recognize it by its shape, which looks like a human being standing upwards. You have the shoulders here, and you have the head here. So what this tells traders is that the trend will likely not continue in the present direction because the market found resistance at the second shoulder, and it most likely will find support at the nearest support level, which is close to the point where the trend began. In the case of the reverse head and shoulders, let's draw this one as well, because you will find this on charts as well. Basically, the main concept is the same. You will find support at the second shoulder, which signals traders that the trend is not likely to go to the downside and will most likely search for the nearest resistance level, which is usually close to the trend or to the impulse beginning. Now that we have discovered, let's go to today's trades, and I will illustrate an example on the 5-minute chart of the basic head and shoulders on the euro-dollar pair. So this is the euro-US dollar 5-minute chart from this morning. As we spoke earlier, we can clearly identify the first shoulder here and the head here. And what I was expecting was a break of this level so that I can enter a short trade targeting this level. Let's see what the charts have in store for us. Okay, so I saw this candle. I was reluctant to enter. And when I saw this candle turning full red as well, I think a bit of FOMO got into me and I entered somewhere around it. It's relevant, but let's say I entered here. I put my stop loss just above the EMAs. So I think it was at 8 pips and I was targeting this level because I really didn't want to miss this move to this level. I thought it started, now it started a nice descending here, just continuing to this level. So let's see what the market has to tell us. So right away I got taken out, but I wasn't quite phased about this because I remember staying at the laptop just waiting to see what this level has in store for us and how will it come to that level actually. So let's see. And as I was expecting, it came straight into that level with a wick. Here I opened another market execution short with a stop loss of 6 pips just above the left shoulder, and also I was looking at this wick. 5 pips would have been way too small, so 6 pips for me sounded just okay. And I entered this position hoping for the head and shoulders pattern to show itself. So as you can see, the market went in our direction. The only thing is there were some important news at 3 o'clock local time. So I didn't want to have my position open in that volatile environment. So I was just hoping for it to reach this level soon enough, or just close it at 10 to 3, whatever the position was. I don't like trading news, and I think it's as close to gambling as you get in trading. Don't take me around people who trade news. I respect you, and I am sure that what you're doing is pretty stressful and it requires a lot of research, but it's just not my thing. I just like to stay away from it for as much as possible. So we are close to our exit mark, and as I recall, there was a nice red candle, yeah, which is actually at 5 to 3 at 3 o'clock local time Romania. The US market opens, and this is the point where I decided to cut my position. I decided to close it at almost 3 to 1 profit. I think it was actually 3 to 1 as I recall. Yep, it was 3 to 1 profit. And as you can see, the news brought mayhem. As you can see, these huge candles. That's why I don't like trading news, but that's for another video. So these were today's trades. I only took 2 trades on the same currency on the 5-minute time frame, and I ended up losing 1.5% trade here because my stop loss was a bit bigger, and I ended up taking 3% here, risking 1% on this 6-pip stop loss. So that's for today, guys. This is the second trading day of my FTMO account. So far I am up 4%, and let's hope the market keeps let's hope the market keeps delivering us good things. See you on our next videos. Bye bye.